Final block completed.
Final block completed. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we already completed to the try, catch, and finally, and based on that scenario, also we completed, guys. If we with a single try block and multiple catch block, and a single try with a single catch block, and a parent to child exception, we had completed it. What guys? Last classes, right? Guys, see this diagram and tell me, guys, what is that? What is the output it will become? And you people already practice with this example, guys.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, actually, I practiced in my side.
Yeah, your side you are
My
practicing.
own logic.
Yeah, your own you are practice, but you people are practicing like multiple catch block, a single try block with multiple catch block, and a single try, single catch. Parent to child exception. What is that exception? It will be get. You people gone through that or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? So yeah, guys, if you are not able to practice that, then you people can practice this example, guys. It will be give that much clarity. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And do you have any questions, guys, in that try catch and finally how we can stop to the finally block, and how what is the purpose of that catch block? What is the purpose of that try block? If people are getting or not, guys, clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, without that was vision handling exception like sir, try and submit.
Yes, we can try and finally it's possible, guys. That also I shown our last class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So today we will see to that how many ways to print that exception, guys. What is exception?
Sir, except is a normal event, sir.
Okay.
This is control the normal program, sir.
Okay. So guys, when we got that exception, at that moment, that exception, which line and what type of exception, and which package, which class, which line number we got that exception, each and everything we got that information, right, guys? So, guys, if we want to see that details, there is a three ways to we can print that exception, guys. How many ways we can print that exception, guys?
So, three ways.
Three
Try,
ways.
catch, and final.
Sorry, try, yeah.
Try, catch, and final.
Guys, that is that handling that exception. Printing that exception is different, and handling that exception is different, guys. You people see,
Sir, printing exception is I think.
Try and catch.
try and catch is that printing that exception, huh?
Block.
Blocks, huh? Hey, guys.
Try, catch, and final block.
No, guys. That is not, guys. You people are confusion. What is that printing exception and what is that handling exception? I will let you know, guys. If people can check here, exception.
So, printing exception means like arithmetic exception.
That is printing exception, huh? Yes, arithmetic
Printing
exception.
Yes, right, yes.
Sorry. Yeah, guys, you people can see here. You people can see here, guys. This is that exception, right? We are going to creating,
Yes.
or else I need to show one more example, guys. If people can check here, I'm going to creating exception 3, exception example. Guys, handling exception is that different and printing exception is different, guys. Right? See here. You people can say here, guys. I'm going to use into that system.out.println, right? So I'm integer number divided by that 0. This is that exception, right, guys? This is that exception.
Yes.
If people can check here, so it is. This is the line is getting that what exception, guys. This is the printing exception, guys. Right? This is the word, guys. We are going to printing that exception, but we are not able to printing any exception inside that our application, but it is throwing word, guys. This is that entire information given by there is a one of the method is there, guys. That is that toString method. How many ways we can handle that exception in means there is a 3 ways we can handle that exception, guys. How many ways?
3 ways.
Yeah, guys, there you people can check here. There is a we can handling that exception by using that toString method and getMessage method and printStackTrace method, guys. This is the 3 ways we can handle that. What we can printing that messages, guys. Right? But internally, guys, you people can see here. You people can see here, guys. This is that exception printing, right?
Yes.
This is that exception, guys. This is that printing. But internally, which method it is going to using is nothing but this is that method, guys. ToString method internally using. We are not able to using to that word, guys, manually. But internally, that JVM will be take to that ToString method, guys. By using the toString method, you people can check here, guys. ToString is used to print that entire details of that exception, guys. Example, you people can check here, guys. This is that example. Already, what I given you people, that is that details, each and everything it will be give. That toString method only give, guys, these details, right? So exception in thread main java dot lang dot arithmetic exception. This is that exception, guys. This is that exception by 0. Why it is getting that this exception is nothing but we are dividing that integer number by 0. We are dividing that integer number by 0. Yet what, guys? Which class? We are going to give into that class name, guys. You people can check into that where this is that divided by that 0 and it is what, guys, this is our project name and this is our package name and this is that what, guys, this is that entire thing is that package name and this is that what, guys, class name. This is that class name and where inside that main method only and what is that line number also it will be given, guys, inside that class there is a line number is that java 8, guys. This is the line we are getting that exception, that is entire details given by which method, guys, which method it is going
Main
to,
method, sir.
Print.
which method,
Main method, sir.
main method. Hey, guys, internally this is the method it will be work, guys. ToString method is going to give in that details, no main method. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, really, how it is going to give into that toString method? How we can confirm it is given by that toString method? Can we confirm, guys? Is it really given by that toString method? Can we confirm
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yeah, guys, you people can go. You people can go to that word, guys. 1 minute, guys, and when we people are getting, guys. 1 minute. Hello. Ah, bro. Akka bro, class. Thank bro. Okay, okay. సరే నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ కరుచులా బ్రో సరే సరేలా బ్రో okay guys this is the details given by the toString method or not we will confirm guys. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all I need to handle this exception, right? I need to handle this exception guys. So for that purpose what should I to do? I need to that handle this exception. What should I to do guys, tell me how we can handle that exception guys. Printing, this is the printing exception, this is the printing exception, and this is in that which line we are getting that exception, we can handle that exception guys. Then what keyword we should be use?
Right.
Yeah, inside that try, yeah, inside that try we can use to that word guys, restricted code we can use. And inside that catch block what should I to use guys?
What type of exception?
What type of exception we need to handle in where? Arithmetic exception.
Block.
Yeah, inside that catch block, right guys? So what should I to do? I need to write that arithmetic exception. And you people can check here guys. You people can check here. There is a three ways we can handle that exception guys. This is that internally by default that JVM will be take to that word guys. toString method only. toString method will be give that entire details of that our exception guys. But I don't want guys entire things. Then what should I to do? I need to use the another ways guys. There is a another methods also is there. What are the methods is there guys? Get message is there, and print stack trace method is there guys. You people can check here guys. Get message is used to print only message. You people can read it guys. Get message is used to print only message. And guys, print stack trace method, in real time we can use print stack trace. It can be it can be print what guys, complete that stack information guys. Stack information it will be print guys, right? So that is the scenario also, that is that case also we can see guys. Before that what should I to do here guys? I need to what guys, get message. There is a one of the message is there guys. You people can check here. There is a get message. Get message it will be print only what guys? It will be print only what it is
Only
going to
message.
print? Only message, right? What type of message it is going to printing? You people can check here guys. I'm going to running this application. You people can check guys. Before using to that toString method, before using to that get message method, internally that toString method using by default that JVM it is taking to the toString method. But I don't want to that entire exception guys. I don't want entire exception details. I need to print just a what guys, message only. What is for that purpose? What message? What method we are using guys here? Get message. You people can check here guys. Get message what it will be print. Yeah, we are handling that exception. Get message. Yeah, before that what should I to do? E dot print stack trace, we can check print stack trace. Yeah, see guys, this is that print stack trace method details it is going to give in guys. You people can check here guys. You people can check what? First of all, I'm not able to use into that this method. Just save and run this application guys. What is that output it is going to get getting, guys? Yeah, we are going to handling this exception, right? So yeah, and what we have to do, toString method is there, right? Yeah, I need to print even where, guys. Yeah, there is a inside that Softlearn statement we need to print it. You people can check here, guys, what type of exception it is going to getting by using that toString method. It is going to give in what, guys? Uh, Internally, that toString method given these guys just message, right? And I'm going to using what, guys? I'm going to using what e dot get message is that method is there, guys. So by using this method, I'm going to printing what type of exception it is going to give in. See, guys, just a message it is given, right? Guys, getting or not it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And you people can check here, guys. I'm going to using to that e dot print stack trace. Print stack trace is that one of the method is there, guys. This is that method we can use. Yeah, what, guys? This is the way we can use this print stack trace, and that print stack trace it will be given what, guys? Entire details of that exception, guys.
Stacking function.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how many ways we can handle that print that exception, guys? Now
So 3 way.
three
Three
ways.
ways.
Yeah, three ways we can use to that what, guys? Print that exception by using the toString method, by using to that get message method, by using what, guys? Print stack trace method. But in we can into use to that real time that print stack trace method only, guys. Which line, what type of exception it is getting, it it will be print, guys, that entire details. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And guys, there is a one more concept is that exception propagation, guys. Exception propagation is that one of the concept is there, guys. What is that exception propagation is nothing but what, guys? We are going to handling that exception if we have a more than one method, guys. You people can check this code. You people can check this, guys. This is we are going to using that what, guys? Line number 9. There is a exception is there, right? Yes or no, guys? So in that what happened, guys? In that how it is going to first of all handling this exception, guys? Who will it is going to handling that exception? First of all, that try catch and there is a, guys, what default exception handler is there. Default exception handler is there, guys. If we are not able to using to that try and catch block at that moment, there is a what, guys? This is that exception printed by the what default exception handler. This is that what, guys? Exception given by that default exception handler. Default exception handler, what it will be do, guys? First of all, it will be checked. JVM come and it will be checked, guys. When I'm going to running this application, then JVM will become, and what, guys? How it is happen internally, I will explain you people. You can concentrate here, guys. So where is my, yeah? See here, guys. When you are going to running this application, at that moment JVM what who will come, guys? That execution of that application, who will come?
JVM.
JVM will be come, right, guys? So what it will be do that
Yes.
JVM will be come inside that application, and it will be check into that if the inside that application there is a main method or not, it will be checked, right, guys? So it is going to identify that main method, and after that what, guys? What are the line we are going to writing? It will be checked line by line, right, guys? So what I am going to using, there is a I am one of the SOP statement I am writing, and in that what, guys? 10 by 0 mean integer number divided by that 0. At that moment there is a exception is there. Then what it will be think that JVM will be come and check into this code, guys. Hey, here is inside that there is the exception is there, but there is a two ways is there, guys. First of all, means we can handle that exception by using that try catch and throws keyword. What keyword, guys? Throws keyword.
Throws keyword.
Yeah, throws keyword. But you people can check this line handling inside the try catch or throws. We are handling here, guys. We are not able to handling this exception. Then JVM will be asked. JVM will be talk with that main method. Hey, main method. In your inside there is a exception is there. So you people then you can handle this exception or not. It will be asked. That JVM will be talk with whom, guys? JVM will be talk with that main method, right? Main method, yeah. Inside that main method, you got that word, guys. There is a exception is there. Then you can handle this exception or not. It will be asked, right? So JVM what main method what it will be do. First of all, actually there is a not able to use into the try catch and we are not able to use in the throws. We are not using to the throws. Then what it will be do that JVM, yeah. So JVM what it will be do? Yeah, I don't have that. I don't have to that handling this exception. Then you can call. You can ask to that which one was calling to that main method. Main method called by whom, guys? JVM only, right? Guys, this is that JVM. You people can analyze, guys. This is
Yes,
that
sir.
JVM.
Yes, sir.
So JVM, what it will be do? I am not able to handling that exception by using that try catch and throws keyword. Then you can ask to that that main method called by whom. You people can go to that and ask to them. Then this is that main method called by whom, guys? JVM only. Yes or no? So JVM what it will be do, guys? There is a inside that JVM, there is a default exception handler is there, guys. What it will be happen, guys? What it is here? Default exception handler, right? Default
Yes, sir. Yes.
exception handler is there. Then default exception handler that JVM will be informed to the default exception handler. Then default exception handler what it will be do, guys? Internally there is a object will be created, guys. What object it will be created? That what, guys? This is the object will be created. Java.lang.arithmetic exception. That object will be created by inside that where, guys? Inside where default exception handler it will be create. Default exception handler it will be create that object, and that object related, this is the default what, guys? Arithmetic exception it is here created, right, guys? And this exception related things will be what, guys? Will be printed by that default message default exception handler only. That exception it will be given by that default exception handler. Guys, getting or not it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, first of all, when you are going to, one more time, I'm going to explain, you people can check here, guys. When we are going to running this application, at that moment, JVM will become and JVM will be checked. There is a main method is there or not? Yeah, main method is there. But inside that method, inside that main method, there is a one of the what, guys? Exception related code is there, right, guys? So if it is having to that exception related code, if it is that having to that exception related code, then what, guys? This application will be executed properly?
No, sir.
No, right?
No.
Yeah, at that moment, what happened, guys? There is a that JVM will be asked to that main method. What, guys? Which method it is going way, guys? Not only main method. If we take to that others methods also, I will show you to that, guys. I will show you that practically how it is going to what, guys? This is that line. This is the line. What, guys? First of all, JVM will be come and that this line will be handling which method. First of all, JVM will be checked. This is that exception is there. First of all, this exception coming into that which method, right? It will be identify that method name, guys. First, it will be identify that method name. Yeah, there is a which method this exception got inside that which method, guys?
Main method.
Main method it is getting, yes or no, guys? Then main method it will be
Yes.
asked, hey main method, inside your block of that code there is a exception is there, then you can handle this exception or not, it will be asked. Then that exception that what, guys, main method it is not, we are not able to handling by using that try and catch block and throws keywords we are not using here, yes or no, guys? We can handle
Yes.
that exception in two ways, by using try catch block and throws keyword. You people to know very well about that, right? So
Yes,
then JVM what it will be do? What it will be do? That main method is not able to handle that exception. Then that main method it will be talk with that word, guys. That JVM. Yeah, JVM actually it is not. I'm not able to handle this exception. Then you can ask who are going to calling to me, right? That main method will be talked with
yes.
that JVM. Then that this main method called by whom, guys?
JVM.
JVM only. So JVM what it will be do? JVM having to that there is a default exception handler, guys. JVM there is a having to that a default exception handler, that JVM will be talked with that default exception handler. Yeah, there is a not able to handling that any one to that word, guys, that code it is not able to handling. Then that JVM at that moment who will come, default exception handler will become. Oh, this is the task is responsibility for me only. So I need to create that object. I need to create that object and I need to handle that exception. And when this default exception handler it will become, and it will be creating that object, guys. First it will be creating that object. What type of object it will be create means which type of exception it is going to what, guys, throwing that exception, that related exception it will be created, guys, that object will be created internally, that object will be created, and that object related entire things it will be printed, guys, by using that toString method, right? This is that object
Yes.
related things, the entire information it is going to printing what, guys, by using that help of what, guys, toString method.
Toasting.
Guys, getting or not this line?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, this is that I'm going to showing inside that only what, guys, main method only. But if you people getting this kind of exception into that others method, then how it is propagations. Propagate means it is going to throw into that one method to another method, guys. You people can check here. You people can check here, guys. What should I to do? I will take as a three methods, guys. I will take as a 2 to 3 methods, and how it is happened that internal things, guys, we will see. Okay, you people
Yes,
can
sir.
check here, guys. You people can check. Here is that entire thing it is going to printing here, guys. Yes or no? Which line also it is going to
Yes.
throwing that exception also. But what should I to do? This line I will keep in where, guys? I will create one method, right, guys? What should I to do? Void m1. This is that m1 method, guys. And inside that what should I to do? I need to call m2 method, guys. I need to call to that m2 method, and here I need to create what, guys, m2 method, right? Inside that what should I to do? I need to call to that m3 method, guys. M3 method, right? And inside that what, guys, I need to create a m3 method, guys. Guys, if people are getting this is, or if people are confusion,
Yes, sir.
getting right? So
Yes, sir.
I'm going to use into that this line inside that where, guys, m3 method, guys. Now tell me which line it is throwing that exception now, which method it is going to throw in that exception. You people can check here, guys. Example 3 dot main method. Inside that main method, this exception we are going to get in. Yes or no, guys? This detail it will
Yes.
be printing line number where, guys, you people can check line number 13, guys. Then you people can, before execution of that application, what should I do, guys? If I want to execute this what non-static method, then what we have to require, guys?
Object.
We need to create that object, right? Yes or no, guys? So I'm going to creating that object, guys. Example equal to new example. This is the way we can creating that object, guys, right? So what we have to do, I need to call to that which method, guys? Now tell me. M3 or yeah, you people can call any method, guys. If I call to that M3 method, then directly it will be called, guys. It will be called. Then yeah, what should I to do? I'm going to calling to that M3 method, guys. You people can check here. You people can check. See, guys, how it is going to throw into that how it is going to handling this exception. You people can observe here, guys. This is that very interesting concept and enter that exception. This is that word, guys. Exception handling. This is that propagation concept is that important, guys. How it is going to handle, what it will be internally it will be do. So each and everything it will be no, guys, right? You people can check here, guys. I'm going to running this application, and what is that output it will become? See, guys, here. See here. What, guys? That what, guys? Details it is going to printing. Previously, you people can check here, guys. Previously, there is a main method is there, but now what, guys? M3 method it came. After that, main method it came, guys. Guys, you people getting or not it? Then how it is happened that exception means you people can check here, guys. This is that JVM what JVM will be execution this application, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
When you are going to running this application, at that moment JVM it will be go and check into that main method only, right? So where is that main method? It will be checked. Yeah, main method it will be identified inside that application. So inside that application, after main method, what it will be checked line by line, guys. So line by line it will be going to checking. First line it is going to creating that object, right? After that, yeah, there is no exception. It is going to come to that next line, right, guys? So next line, what it will be happen? We are going to calling to that what method here, guys? We are going to calling to that by using that reference variable, by using that object reference variable and calling to that M3 method, guys. Then that JVM will be go and check into that where, guys. Immediately it will be go and it will be identify that where is that exception example 3 class. Then it is that itself. This is the class itself only, right? Then JVM what it will be do? That JVM will be go to this class, guys, first. Inside that class, there is a where is my M3 method? It is going to calling M3 method, right, guys? It's not able to check to that this method, guys. This M1, M2, M3, it's not able to check. It's directly pointing to that which method, guys? M3 method, it will become directly, right? M3
Yes.
method it will become directly, and there is a what, guys, inside that M3 method what we have to write, we can write that business logic, but there is a what, guys, inside that SOPLN statement there is a what, guys, exception is there. Yes or no, guys? Then that
Yes.
JVM will be stay here and it will be asked, yeah, so this is the line getting that exception. Then it, guys, how that human will be think same as like internally it's happened, guys, really, right?
Yes, sir.
That is that analyzing part is required to us, right? Then that JVM what it will be think, yeah, this is the line getting that exception, and it will be identify this, yeah, this line is getting that which method, this line is available into that which method. First of all it will be identify which method, guys?
Main method.
Hey, This line is available in main
M3.
method.
M3.
M3 method.
Yeah, right. So yeah, that JVM will become added to that M3 method. Hey, M3 method, in your side there is a exception. Do you know that thing? That JVM will be talk with that word, guys, M3. Right? Then M3, what it will be happen? Yeah, that JVM will be talk with that M3 method. M3 method, you have that there is a risky code is there. Then can you handle that exception or not? Can you handle that exception or not? You can inform to me. Then that M3 method, what it will be check immediately that getting that word, guys. It will be bother about that line, guys. If you people real time also, you people can check here, guys. If you people getting that any word, guys, emergency related call, then what you have to do? You people can think immediately, yes or no. What we can do, how we can do. You people can call to someone or not. You people are thinking like that or not, guys.
Yes, sir.
It is happened or not in real time?
Yes.
Yeah, same as like here also what happened, guys. Inside that M3 method, it is what? When JVM come and what, guys, start with that M3 method, at that moment that M3 method, it is shivering, guys. It's getting what, guys, shivering. Then what it will be do? It will be checked. First of all, there is a what? Handling code is there or not? It will be checked that M3 method. But inside that M3 method, there is a handling code is there, guys. Try catch block is there.
No.
Throws keyword is there. No, right?
No, sir.
Yeah.
No.
Then that M3 method, what it will be do? Guys, if it is in real time also, if it is not possible by us, at that moment we can see to that alternate. Means we can call to that someone who will resolve that issues. Then we can contact to those people only in a real time also. Yes or no?
Yes,
Same
sir.
as like that M3 method, what it will be checked. Yeah, hey JVM, this is that I'm not able to handle this exception. Please ask, please ask M3 method will be tell. Actually, M3 method where it is going to call, you can go and ask to there only. It is not my responsibility. Sorry, I'm not able to handle this exception. This M3 method, it will be informed to that JVM. Guys, getting or not?
Yes,
At that moment, that JVM, what it will be do? Yeah, it is that not responsible by it is not able to handling that M3 method. M3 method is not what, guys, don't have that patience. Then this M3 method calling by whom it will be checked, guys. This M3 method called by whom it will be checked. Then M3 method called where, guys? M3 method called where?
Object.
Object reference means where, which method it is going to available?
Object.
Object.
M3 method.
M3 method called by whom? Which method it is available? M3 method available which method? Guys, where you are going to call
main
it?
method.
Main method only, right? Main method only.
Main.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then what it will be do? That JVM will be come back, guys. That JVM will be come back and where it is going to calling this line, it will be asked. It will be checked. Yeah, here is that calling to that M3 method. Then what happened? Yeah, first of all, M3 method handling by which method it will be checked, guys. This M3 method calling inside that where main method only. Then what happened? That JVM will be asked again. Hey, main method, you are going to calling to that M3 method. Actually, there is a M3 method having to that some exception. There is a risky code is there, but there that M3 method is not able to handling that exception. Then, but that M3 method you are calling here. This is that called method, guys. M3 is that called method, and here is that main method is calling method, guys. There is a called method and calling method is there, guys. Okay, then that JVM will be
Yes.
come and ask to that main method, hey main method, that there is a M3 method is not able to handling that exception, but this is that your responsibility. Can you handle this exception or not? It will be asked again. right? That at that moment, that main method, it will be tell, it will be check there is any exception related code is there or not. It will be check that again main method. But inside that main method, there is a exception related code is there, guys. Try catch,
No, sir.
try catch throw in anything is there.
No.
No, sir.
No, at that moment, what happened? That main method it will be tell, yeah, it is. I'm also not able to handle this code, but you can ask main method. That main method only, right? Main method called by whom you can ask to them only. I don't. I'm also not able to handle this exception, right? At that moment, what it will be happen, it is going to that again. There is a who, guys, actually there is a default exception handler is there inside that JVM, right? So
Yes.
JVM, what it will
Yes.
be do, JVM will be informed to that default exception handler, hey default exception handler, there is a main method having to that exception that is not able to handle that. Until that default exception handler, it will be sleeping, guys. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, that
Yes.
always that default exception handler is always sleeping. But when JVM come and inform to that default exception handler, at that moment wake up to that what, guys, default exception handler, and it will be come and check. It will be come and check what type of exception there is there inside that main method. What type of exception is there? It will be checked, yeah, there is a arithmetic exception. At that moment, what the default exception handler, it will be creating that object for what, guys, arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception object will be created, right? And that
Yes, sir.
arithmetic exception object, it will be create, and that details will be details will be given to this exception handler, given to that toString method. Hey, this kind of exception is there, you can print and you can show to that developer, right? This kind of exception is there, you can show to that developer. That default exception handler hand over to that toString method, guys. That is the reason which line and which method it is going to get in that exception, each and everything details it will be printing to that onto the console, guys. At that moment, what we have to do, yeah, as a developer, we need to read this entire line, yes or no, guys, what type of exception we got first, and what is that exception, and which line it is going to, which exception it is getting, and which method, how many methods it is going to affected, how many methods it is going to affected, guys, tell me.
Sir, M3
Two methods.
M3 method and main method, that entire details it will be print, guys. You people can check here inside that M3 method, that getting that actual exception, guys, arithmetic exception it is getting. And this method again called by which line, guys, you people can check here, line number 19 inside that main method, guys. That entire thing it will be print by to that to string.
Yes, sir.
Guys, you people getting or not it?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Right? Okay. There is a what should I do, guys? This is that just the M1 method, M3 method I'm going to calling here. Guys, if we call to that M1, M2, you people can check here, guys. You people can that execution flow. If I call to that what, guys, M1 instead of M3, if I call to that M1, then what it will be happen, guys? Tell me.
So nothing will be happening.
Nothing will happen, huh?
Also,
The
actually,
program will be
will not declared anything.
Anything.
Only M1, M2 will be executed
and after both M3.
Yeah. That execution part you people can check here, guys. Before that execution part, I will explain, you people can check here, guys, or else I need to execute first of all this. See here, guys. See here. How many methods it is going to affected here, guys? When I'm going to calling to that M3 method, at that moment only two methods. Now you people can check here what, guys. This is that exception getting inside that M3 method, but M3 method called by whom, guys? M3 method called by whom?
JVM.
Hey, here you people can
No,
check.
no, M2 method.
M2.
Why you are not able to
M2.
checking, guys, properly that code? There is a M2 method. It is calling or not? Why you are not able to checking here? First of all, you people can check here, guys. Execution flow, you people can check. Actually, that execution flow, if you are strong into that, at that moment you can get that knowledge. What I'm going to do when I'm going to running this application, at that moment that JVM will be check main method. Inside that main method, it will be check object creation, and we are going to calling what, guys? Example dot m1 method. It will be go to the directly this class, and it will be check there is a m1 method is there or not. Yeah, it is there, right, guys? This is that m1 method. M1 method, what happened, guys? It is going to nothing is there, but it is calling to that what, guys? M2 method, right? So directly go to that M2 method. M2 method, what it will be happen? Yeah, it is identify that M2 method, and it is inside that M2 method calling to the what, guys? M3 method, right? So M3 method is going to calling it is directly go to that M3 method, and inside that M3 method, what happened? There is a line is there, guys. That is the exception related code. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now tell me, guys, if I run this application, then that JVM and that how it what, guys, how it is happened, how it is that execution, how it is happened, guys. I said you right, when getting that exception inside that main method, that JVM will become and talk with that main method. Uh, if it is there is no try catch block, then it is go to that what, guys, default exception handle, that is default exception handler wake up, and it will be creating that what type of exception it is getting. It will be creating that object, and that object related things it will be informed to that toString method. toString method, it will be print that details. Yes or no, guys? Same as like you people can explain, guys, how it is happened, what it will be happened. Can you anyone explain it?
Can I try, sir?
Sorry.
Can I try?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
go, you can go, guys. Very good.
Sir, JVM will
Yeah,
JVM will check, sir, admin method is there or not, sir.
yeah.
If admin method is there, inside the main method, what line is next, sir? There
Okay,
is a object creation is there, sir.
okay,
Object creation is check which object is creating.
okay.
Or which object is created. But go to exception example is class is created.
Yes.
Then check then check which method is called. Which
Okay,
object refers return to. MN method is called. So MN method is go to there inside the exception example class within a wait MN methods. Which inside main method there is M2 method is there, sir.
okay.
M2 method is called. M2 method is called to directly in M2 method. M2 method inside one is method is there. M3 method. M3 method is called directly in into 12 method. The 12 method is the business logic is there, sir. They're
M3
getting,
method, that is M3
yes,
method.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. M3 method. There is a
Yeah,
business logic is there, sir.
yes, excellent.
The business logic exception is there. Then we print to that line, sir.
Directly it
Not
will be
not
print
printing,
off. Directly it will be print off.
not I did not print, sir, but
Yeah,
yes, sir,
that
that message is just not.
yeah, yeah. After it is getting that exception, then that JVM what it will be checked. It will be it will be talked with what,
James,
guys?
which kind of exception is there, sir?
Yeah, there
If
is a
try catch or
exception is
the
there.
exception
Okay,
handling or not, if
okay.
handling there is a if not handling directly go to JVM. Inside JVM there is a default exception is
No,
there,
no, no,
sir.
no, no. No, it is not able
Then
to. No, no, no.
this
That is not able to directly go to that JVM, guys. It's not able to go to the directly JVM,
but
guys.
check, sir, first if handling or not. If not
Okay,
handling,
okay, okay. It is not handling, then it is directly go to the JVM. There is a
Then go to
exception,
main
guys.
method. Yes, sir. Then go to main method. Again check which method is called.
It will directly go to that main method. No.
Go to main method. Which method is called?
No, not like that, guys. What you are going to say till that printing is correct. But when that exception getting, there is a propagation, exception propagation, guys. You people can read that content. You people can read this content, guys. Exception propagation. Propagation means we can hand over to one others. Okay, we need to hand over to others, guys. Then what it will be happen, guys, you people can check here. You people can check. First of all, what your explanations, that is that everything correct. But what, guys, you are saying to the directly that M3 method is not able to handle, it is going to the directly go to that what, guys? Main method. No, it is not able to go to that main method, guys. First of all, there is a inside that M3 method, there is a exception is there, right? Then the
Yes, sir.
JVM will be, yeah, JVM will be talk, JVM will be stay here, and guys, there is a exception is there. What we have to do? This line are first of all available which method? Yeah, there is a this line is available inside that M3 method. Come to that M3 method and talk to the JVM. Hey M3 method, there is a risky code is there. There is a exception code is there. But can you handle that exception or not? It will be asked to that M3 method. Then that M3 method what it will be happen? Yeah, it will be checked to that any exception related code is there or not. It will be checked. There is no exception related code. But at that moment, what it will be do that M3 method? Yeah, I'm not able to handle this exception. You can ask to who are going to calling me. You can, yeah, JVM. You can ask to me. You can ask who are going to calling me. M3 method call to whom, guys? M3 method.
M2 method, sir.
M3 method called by M2 method. It is go to back, guys. That JVM will be go to that back again, right? And M3 method, yeah, M3 method, yeah, M3 method. First of all, then JVM will be identified. M3 method available inside that which method? Which method, guys?
M2 method.
M2 method.
M2 method.
Yeah, JVM come to that M2 method. Hey, M2 method, you are going to call into that M3 method, but M3 method having there is a exception, but that M3 method is not able to handle in that exception, but that M3 method called by you only. Can you handle or not? This is that your responsibility. Can you handle or not? It will be asked. Then that M2 method immediately alert and it will be checked. Inside that M2 method, there is a try catch throw that exception related code is there or not, it will be checked, guys. But inside that M2 method, there is a try catch block, guys.
No, sir.
No. At that moment, what happened? That M2 method will be informed to that what JVM. Hey JVM, it is not. I'm not able to handle that code. I'm not able to handling that exception. But you can ask who are going to calling to me. This is not, I'm not able to handling this. You can ask who are going to calling to me. Like that M2 method inform to that what is JVM. Then JVM what it will go, guys? M2 method called by whom? Now
M1 method.
M1 method it will be go to that back only, right? Here calling, but immediately it will be identify this M2 method which method it is going to handling, which method, guys? Inside that M1 method. Then JVM again come and at M1 method, hey M1 method, you are going to call into that M2 method. M2 method having some exception, but can you handle that exception or not? It will be asked, guys. Then that M1 method also thinking, yeah, there is a inside that M1 method having to that try catch block or throws keyword is there or not? It will be checked. But is this available, guys? That what, guys? Yes, exception related code is available inside that M1 method.
No, sir.
No, at that moment, that M1 method will be informed, hey JVM, I'm also not able to handle this exception. You can ask who are going to calling me. You can go and ask who are going to handling me. At that moment, M1 method called by whom, guys? M1 method called by whom? Main method. Yeah, it will be come inside that where, guys? Inside that main method. And what, guys? This is that calling, right? Yeah, it is
Yes.
available inside where, guys? Inside that main only. Yeah, again JVM will be come and talk with that main method. Hey main method, you are calling to that M1 method, and there is a exception is there, but that M1 method is not able to handle that exception. Can you handle this exception or not? It will be judgment to that main method, guys. Then main method, it will be check there is a what, guys, exception related code is there or not. It will be checked. There is no, we are not able to use into the try catch and throws keyword. Then that main method also what, guys, yeah, main method I'm also not able to handle this exception. You can ask to who who are going to calling me. That main method says to that JVM, guys. So that main method called to by what, guys? JVM only, right? So there is a JVM, what it will be do? JVM will be informed to that JVM will be having to that what, guys? Default exception handler. Until that the default exception handler what, guys? Sleeping, right? Then that JVM will inform to that default exception handler. Default exception handler, you can wake up. There is a exception is there. You can handle this exception. At that moment, this default exception handler will be come, and it will be going to that what, guys, what kind of exception is there, that object will be created, and that entire details, that details is nothing but first of all this M1 method calling to that main method, and main method calling to that what, guys, M1 method calling to that M2 method, M2 method calling to the M3 method, M3 method calling to what, guys, inside that M2 method calling to that M3 method. Inside this all the details it will be go print, guys, means we can call as a what, guys, frame, print stack trace, we can call as a frame, stack frame, we can call as a stack frame, guys. This is the M1 method, this is that main method, guys, this is that main method. And next one what, guys, what, guys, M1 method, this is that M1 method frame, this is that main method frame, guys, this is that main method frame, this is that M1 method frame, and this is that what, guys, M2 method frame. And like this it is going to call, guys, like there is a frame. Then that entire details it will be printing here, guys. You people can check here. I'm going to running this application, then you people get much clarity. You people can check here, guys. See here, guys, now main method, M1 method, M2 method, M3 method, guys, entire thing that details is printing or not.
Yes, sir.
Guys, you people getting clarity or not now?
Yes, sir.
Right? This is the way we can use to that exception propagation, guys. This is the things we are going to give in, guys. So this is the main method. This is the frame, guys, stack frame. We can call as a stack frame. Every thread, guys, inside that M1 method means one thread, one stack frame, guys. We can call as a one stack frame. Right? Guys, that execution part also I am given. And what I am talking now, how it is going to speaking each and everything, that line, that details also I given, guys. You people can read it. Okay, internal how it is going to talking each and everything I given, guys. Talk information, right, guys? Actually, in that yeah, it is that very guys. Internally, what happened? This is the things happen, guys. Previously, if you people to see this line, it's not able to understand. But you people to understand now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the way we can. And that given that line also, guys. If this is that image, and I'm giving that what, guys, details also here. You people can check. and read it. What I'm going to speak.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, constructor chaining also going like this way, right, sir?
Constructor chaining,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Execution part.
Yeah. Guys, you people getting or not it? That exception have propagation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I'm clear.
Clear, right? So guys, that entire detailed exception also I given, guys. What we are going to print in that exception, these details also I given here inside that line detailedly. If you are go through this, then definitely you get much clarity, guys. Really. If I tell to that word, guys, we internally path, then you people not able to get it. See here, guys. I'm going to handling that exception. I'm going to handling that exception means will be what, guys? Nothing it will be print. Because of we are going to handling that exception, right? If you want to that print that message, what type of message is there, then you people what, guys? E dot print start trace details it will be print, guys. See here, guys. Entire thing it is going to. Okay, guys. So this is the way we can implement to that try catch, guys. And if you people can use here, guys, then you people can check here, guys. We are going to handling that exception now, right? So it's not able to print anything. If we want to print what, guys? A dot print start. This is the way we can handle the text. Guys, really, if you are not able to basics, if you are really strong, then this is the concept is understand, guys. Otherwise, what happened? Really, it is what, guys? Hindi movie one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I'm clear, sir.
You people clear, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
guys, I will share you through that videos, guys. One more time, you can go through that videos and you can get clarity, guys. Really, it is that very important. How it is happened, what it will be happened. You people can go through that and get that knowledge. Right, one time it's that what, guys, first time you are getting that clarity, but when you people go through that what after few days, then you people definitely people forget, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys, tomorrow we can complete what there is a two keyword is left, that is pro and pros keyword, guys. We will go through that tomorrow. We will come, guys. Tomorrow is that Friday, right?
Yes, sir.
No, tomorrow is the Thursday.
No, no, sir. Thompson.
Not of breath.
Yes, So I will complete that, and Friday we will go through the word guys collection framework,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and after that collection, we can go through that word guys. What we have to call? There is a Java 8 features, guys. That Java 8 features that is that important. Then we can go through that, guys. After that, we can go through that Spring MVC directly. We are not able to teach that JDBC servlet JSP, guys. This is that outdated. Not able to required, guys, for that project. Then that Java 8 is that required. After Java 8, we can go through that word, guys, advanced level. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You people, Spring MVC is that word, guys. Yeah, there is a core module is there. Core module is that word, guys. It is required. That is the reason we can go through that, guys.